When was the last time you really looked at your deck, not just walked across it? A lot of homeowners don't realize there are clear warning signs that a deck may be unsafe or nearing the end of its life. Sign number 1, wobbling or movement. If the deck shakes when people walk or when you lean on the railing, that's not normal. Movement can point to loose connections, weak posts, or structural issues that need attention. Sign number 2, soft or rotting wood. Take a screwdriver or key and gently press into suspicious areas, especially near the bottom of posts, stair stringers, and where boards meet the house. If the wood feels soft, spongy, or crumbles, that's a major red flag. Sign number 3, loose, cracked, or missing boards. A cracked or heavily splintered board can trip someone or give way under pressure. Boards that bounce when you step on them may not be properly supported or secured. Sign number 4, shaky or loose railings. Railings are a key safety feature, especially for children and older adults. If the railing wobbles, flexes, or separates from the deck when pushed, it needs to be evaluated and likely rebuilt or reinforced. Sign number 5, rusted or missing hardware. Look under the deck at joist hangers, bolts, and fasteners. If you see heavy rust, corroded metal, or missing connectors, the structure may not be performing the way it should. Sign number 6, water damage around where the deck meets the house. If the ledger board is not properly flashed and attached, water can get into your home's structure, causing hidden damage. This is one of the most critical areas to inspect because failures here can lead to major problems. Sign number 7, age. Even if things look okay at a glance, many older decks were built to older standards or with materials that weren't designed for today's expectations of safety and longevity. If your deck is decades old, a professional inspection is a smart move. If any of these signs sound familiar, don't ignore them. For a solid, honest assessment, you can call Tough Deck Builders at 210-485-5690 or visit toughdeckbuilderssanantonio.com. Sometimes repair is enough, and sometimes replacement is the safer investment. But either way, safety should always come first.